California Assessment of Performance and Progress. So the CASP, as it's known, is California's new statewide student assessment system, which replaced the Standardized Testing and Reporting Program, formerly known as STAR, in the year of 2014. So it's been in existence for a few years now. Let's see, under the CASP, there are other assessments: Smarter Balance Assessments, California Alternate Assessments, California Science Test, and the California Alternate Assessment for Science. For Smarter Balance Assessment, it's for all students to take in grades 3 through 8 and grade 11. The only students not required to participate in the assessment are those who will need an alternative assessment or English learners who are in their first year of attending school in the United States. These assessments are in two parts. Part 1 is a computer adaptive test that includes constructive response, fill-ins, graphing, and the like. Part 2 is a performance task which helps measure the student's ability to integrate knowledge and skills across multiple standards. The California Alternate Assessment, it's for students who are unable to take the Smarter Balance Assessments. These are the students with significant cognitive disabilities. So these tests are computer-based with 2 stages and are offered with a one-on-one format. The California Science Test, its assessment is required for students in grades 5, 8, and 11 unless their IEP indicates the student to participate in the alternate assessment. So these tests have selective response, constructive response, also with fill-ins, graphing, etc. And these tests contain activities that measure the student's ability, once again, to apply their knowledge that they've learned and the skills across multiple standards. The California Alternate Assessment for Science for students who cannot take the science assessment. So these are students, again, with significant cognitive disabilities. These tests are computer-based and are offered as a one-on-one. The importance of these tests: California students in grades 3 through 8 and 11 will take the test as part of a comprehensive plan for high-quality teaching and learning in every school to prepare the students for the challenges of the future. Now, the plan includes higher academic standards, more decision-making, this is on part of the schools and the community, and more resources to the schools that need it most. Now, these tests are designed to help the students prepare for college and career readiness. The new system has replaced the old way of thinking, the old way of taking tests. No more paper, pencil, multiple choice bubble-ins. Now it's computer-based with a performance task added. Now, these performance tasks are important because they will measure the student's ability to show what they have learned. All educators are affected by this system. It holds teachers accountable for promoting higher learning, higher academic standards, and it encourages those teachers who are not ready yet to embrace the 21st century learning. It gives them something to strive for. If you would like more information on either of these assessments, please log on to their websites. For the California Assessment of Performance and Progress, log on to www.caaspp.org, or the California Department of Education, which is www.cde.ca.gov. Thank you very much for your time.